I have rethought my concept design for the RS-2 controller sun shield. Based on comments from this older video, I decided to update my design concept. Here is a set of 3D printed parts showing the evolution of my sunscreen design. The original concept had some through holes in the sun shield that let in too much light. By eliminating the through holes, I was able to block out most of the sun. While I was at it, I added in thumb screws at the pivot locations to make sure the screen stays up better. Enough with the prototyping. Let's take this new sun shield and try flying the drone out on a bright, sunny day. I have now taken my drone flying kit to a drone-friendly place close to my house. As you can see, the controller is completely washed out by the bright sun. And it seems that a new sun shield helps a lot on a bright sunny day. It seems that this cover is a keeper for me. If you're interested in getting a copy for yourself, please let me know in the comments. And of course, if you're enjoying this video, please consider subscribing to my channel.